What to do when your car won't start and you don't know why. It can be frustrating if your car won't start for no apparent reason. There may be a number of causes for this, such as a dead battery, a malfunctioning fuel pump, or something more serious. Most car owners could be at a loss for action in these situations. In reality, the best course of action is to take these easy steps to fix your problem and continue driving as soon as possible. There are a few actions you can take to try to identify and fix the issue if your car won't start and you're not sure why. Check the battery. One of the most frequent causes of a car that won't start is a dead battery. Ensure that the battery terminals are clean and tightly secured before attempting to jump-start the car using the batteries of another vehicle. Check the fuel level. Your vehicle won't start if the petrol tank is empty. Before attempting to start the car, make sure there is enough fuel in the tank. Check the ignition switch. If the battery and fuel levels are adequate, the ignition switch might be the issue. Verify that the key can turn and that the switch is functioning as it should. Check the starter. The starter is responsible for getting the engine started. Your car won't start if it's not functioning correctly. When you turn the key, pay attention to any clicking noises, as this could be a sign of a bad starter. Check the alternator. While the car is running, the alternator is responsible for recharging the battery. Your battery may not have enough charge to start the car if it isn't operating properly. Check the fuses. Your car's electrical system is protected by fuses. It's possible that a blown fuse is preventing the car from starting. Inspect the fuses for blown ones and replace them. If none of these steps help to solve the problem, it's best to call a mechanic to diagnose and fix the issue. Visit our website www.spotdem.com for more helpful tips on how to troubleshoot car problems, or subscribe to our channel to get regular updates.